Now, let's learn how to curve a balloon. Take a balloon, any color you like. It's best to leave some empty space at the end so that there's not too much pressure in the balloon. So, take the balloon near the knot and fold it in the palm of your hands, like that. Then, rub both sides of the balloon against each other, back and forth, so that the crease in between moves back and forth as well. Keep on with these back and forth frictions while slowly guiding the balloon, and therefore the crease of the balloon, forward between your hands. And little by little, the balloon knot will move further and further from your hands. You see? The idea is to have the whole inflated portion of the balloon gradually go forward through these back and forth movement. You could make a circle that way. Or, if you'd prefer, you could make a wave. Simply do it the other way around on a portion of the balloon, like that. And this is the way to curve rounded shapes with twisting balloons.